Bir Allah'ın kulu ya. Evet, mutlu. 112, 112.
A major earthquake struck Turkey and Syria on Monday, flattening thousands of buildings. Dozens of nations pledged aid after the 7.8 magnitude quake, which hit as people were still sleeping, and amid freezing weather that has hampered emergency efforts. The quake, which was centered on Turkey's southeastern province of Kahramanmaraş, sent residents of Damascus and Beirut rushing into the street, and was felt as far away as Cairo. Multi-story apartment buildings full of residents were among the 5,600 structures reduced to rubble in Turkey, while Syria announced dozens of collapses, as well as damage to archaeological sites in Aleppo. Monday's first earthquake struck at 4:17 a.m. at a depth of about 18 kilometers near the Turkish city of Gaziantep, which is home to around 2 million people. The initial quake was followed by dozens of aftershocks, including a 7.5 magnitude tremor that jolted the region in the middle of search and rescue work. Denmark's Geological Institute said tremors reached the east coast of Greenland about 8 minutes after the main quake struck Turkey. Despite temperatures falling below zero, frightened residents in the city were preparing to spend the night on the streets, huddling around fires for warmth. The European Union has activated its crisis response mechanism in order to coordinate the bloc's support measures to Turkey and Syria quicker after earthquakes. So far, there are more than 20,000 rescue personnel working in the earthquake region for recovery efforts.